All right, let's talk about the jacket itself. All right, first of all, the jacket, double insulation inside, has perfect area to cover it up. This is an outdoor jacket. It's made for any kind of weather, snow, rain, pretty much anything. It has a lot of ventilation, so you don't over sweat too much. It has a zipper, first layer zipper. You guys can see that zipper here. Second layer button. Now, one of the best things, the reflected light. If you're working outdoors, you need your credentials to be shown. You put your credentials through here. If you're working in a dangerous environment, you put some of your keys, some of your stuff in here. And this is perfect for outdoor activity at night or day. Now, one of the best things, they do have different colors too, different sizes. This is a 2X, which fits pretty good on me. I like the actual ends of it. It has that extra part of it, like the extra material here. If you want to tie it up, you can tie it up your actual ends, so you can work with your hands if you're a mechanic. This is easy to set up and wear. It has plenty of pocket space for your keys, your pens, your wallets. Also to zipper on the actual hand rest area. So if you have important stuff you want to keep cover, that's a perfect way. My favorite part is in the bottom. Has extra bungee cords here in the bottom, so you guys can tie it in and close it up to your body. It will hug your body, suppress your body. Now, one of the best things, it has a hat, a rain cap, that you can tie it up from here if you want, and then tie it up to your neck. So, love the jacket, very comfortable, easy to wear. Hope you guys like this video.